how to join random Zoom meetings. So if you want to join random Zoom meetings, then what you need to do is first, you need to find the Zoom code. The easiest way to do this is on Twitter or your X. So you need to log into your account or register. Second thing, you need to enter the Zoom code in the search. Here on the top right, you will have the search. You need to enter the Zoom code. The third step is often there are special posts to Zoom code that describe the event. Click on the Zoom code. Once you click on the Zoom code, it will ask you to open the Zoom meeting. So you need to click on it. After that, click on Join from Zoom Workplace app if you've installed Zoom on your computer, and if your Zoom code or the meeting ID is valid, then it will directly take you to that Zoom meeting and you'll be able to join the Zoom meeting. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.